Launching the Quest Courier on an Estes B64 and carrying a Estes altimeter in the payload bay. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is 2 parachutes, 1 didn't come out. Core sample. And it looks like that one's going to stay on the field. Okay, stay off the darn it. Road rash, I hate that. Okay, we're going to go collect our core sample here. The second parachute failed to eject. We have had some rains recently, so the ground should be fairly soft. Here we go. Let's take a look here. A little bit dented. The parachute didn't quite push all the way out. Okay, let's go get our payload capsule. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a day. Here we go. And it's a little bit snagged on something on the pavement. So, okay, we've got everything we needed. Back to the Fun Day Puppet Show.